Let's make cucumber, mango, and crab salad in a seasoned avocado. Check first for the stem and remove if attached. Next, insert your avocado tool at the stem and cut around the avocado lengthwise. Gently twist the two halves to separate. Place the avo tool at the base of the pit and pop out by applying upward pressure. Now we'll add our avocado to the salad filling. Holding each avocado half, cut carefully with your avocado tool from top to bottom, then side to side to create dices. Insert the avocado tool at the top of the avocado and scoop the avocado dices into your prepared salad mixture. Our crab salad combines jumbo lump crab meat, mango, celery seed, fresh cucumber, and, of course, fresh avocados from Mexico. Set aside your empty avocado shells for plating. Using a rubber spatula, gently fold the fresh diced avocado into the salad mixture until evenly distributed. Next, we'll fill our avocado shells by scooping half a cup of the salad into each shell. Now we're ready to plate. Gently set your filled avocados from Mexico on a bias at the center of the plate. Then drizzle with a bit of fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle the tops with Old Bay seasoning. Add garlic aioli, lemon zest, and garnish with chives. Now you're ready to serve the cucumber, mango, and crab salad in a seasoned avocado by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.